Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. If you want to level up your noodle game, today's your lucky day. I'm gonna show you something fancy to do with noodles. It doesn't have any fancy name though. Let's just call it seafood noodles. This dish doesn't require much veggies. I'm just using here some Bokchoy or Taiwan pechay. If you have snowpeas, you can add them here. Or if you have shiitake mushrooms, you can add those too. There are many variants of noodles. What we're going to use here is egg noodles. I bought this Safoco brand and it's very delicious. We're done with the veggies. Now we're gonna prepare our seafood. I bought this squid balls. You can also use fish balls or lobster balls. Okay, I'm just gonna slice them in half. Next item is squid rings. If you can't find squid rings, my friend Bambi is selling squid florets or squid florals. You can order from her. I will include her link in the description of this video. What we need to do next is to wipe the excess moisture from the squid rings. So I'm using some paper towels. This time I'm preparing the shrimp. I'm removing the head, the tail, the shell, and what do you call the little feet? What's that word again? Appendages? I'm also deveining the shrimp and putting the clean shrimp in a bowl of water with baking soda. This recipe calls for chicken stock. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can use half of a chicken cube. I'm adding now some salt. Some freshly ground pepper. To help thicken the sauce, I'm adding some cornstarch. Excuse the mess. Mix everything together. I'm adding now some sugar. Next, I'm adding a drizzle of sesame oil. adding a few drops of oyster sauce. To complete our sauce, we're gonna add some 5-spice powder, reminiscent of wok with yan. Let's start cooking, and for starters, I'm gonna blanch our bokchoy. We're just gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna set it aside afterwards. Next, we're gonna cook our egg noodles. In a pan of boiling water, just add maybe about 3 to 6 balls of noodles, and this will serve 2 people. Please support my family and friends' YouTube channels: Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, Seafarer Joanna, My Diary, Arlene B.E., Miss Levy AJ, Sembran Sisters Venture, Carol Caro, Roshu Vlog, Joanna P, ICM, Faye Marasigan, Jason Danguines, and Donnie Ray Cabral Official. Once cooked, we're gonna set it aside as well. In a clean pan on medium heat, we're going to fry our squid balls. Once you see some browning on the balls, we're going to add our shrimp. Make sure you don't overcook the shrimp. Once you see some orange on the shrimp, set it aside. Next, we're gonna cook our squid rings. And for this, we need to turn the heat up. Cook your rings for 2 to 3 minutes. using the same pan with all the flavors from our fried squid rings, shrimp, and squid balls. We're gonna use it for cooking our sauce. I'm adding chili flakes and more freshly ground pepper. Bring your sauce to boil and then you'll notice it will get thickened. So this time adjust the taste. Option 1, you can dump everything back into the pan to mix everything together, or option 2, lay the ingredients out on a plate and mix everything together when you're ready to eat. Just make sure you're gonna serve it hot. This is your perfectly splendid seafood noodles. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next week.